guys, I just got dropped by the taxi, and this is where I'm gonna be staying for some few days in Zakopane, Poland, at the Radison Hotel Zakopane. So this is where I'm gonna be staying, guys. So I'm still to discover how the rooms look like, and I'm gonna be sharing with you how the room looks like. So stay tuned and watch it all. Really beautiful out here, snowy, very clean, nice. I love it. So I'm gonna be exploring the city and checking out what to do. Of course, I've got my hiking shoes. So let's head into the reception. We've got a section for key to the reception, guys. And over here, what do we have? We have a we have an area for some beer. You can play some games over here. Still some games over here, and you've got some chairs over there. Really looks good. And this is just a reception, guys. We are still down, so I am about to go up to the room. So this is just to show you how it looks like when you get into the Radison Blue Hotel in Zakopane, Poland. They've got a fitness club open 24/7. So guys, if you want to, move your body and exercise, guys, you got it all here. Great. So guys, this is their hotel room. So let's see how it looks like. Wow, this is awesome. So this is the Radison Blue Hotel in Zakopane, Poland. Wow, we've got a coffee machine over here. I mean, if you want to make some coffee, you got the coffee machine here. You've got a table over here, for some work if you want to work, or maybe to just drop some stuffs. And you've got this massive TV on the wall. This is awesome. And you've got this table over there as well for some food, or maybe you want to welcome a friend or something, you want to drink, you can just do it over here. And you've got this massive bed right here, guys. This is awesome. I love this. Oh, let me see what they've got here. So this is the Radison Blue Hotel in Zakopane, Poland, right? So this is how they welcome you at the hotel, a gift for eco thrift. So you have this daily cleaning, this little bag. This is awesome. This is a great concept. I love it. Man, this city is beautiful. It's actually snowing right now, and it's so white outside. So over here, we've got this massive window, which I'm going to show you guys right now. Okay, which leads actually to a balcony, guys. So this is pretty awesome. So we've got this massive window, and we're gonna move out to the balcony, and I'm just gonna show you how it looks like from outside. So I'm opening up the balcony door right now. So guys, this is what we have. We've got this table out here, great table. You can, chill out. Maybe you want to have some vodka. We are in Poland. Why not? You want to have some vodka, maybe you can have it out here. We've got 2 chairs, which is awesome. And you've got this massive balcony, guys, and this is really a great view. Look at this view. Just take a look. How calm it is. It's snowing. This view is awesome, guys. Waking up to this view in the morning, You know, this is awesome. Look at the snow. Look at that. And we've got a massive balcony and this huge glass door. You know, this is awesome, guys. This is Radison Blue, Zakopane, Poland, guys. I'm live in Poland, Zakopane, Poland. This is awesome. All white out there, snowing. This is great. I can't wait to explore more of this city. Stay tuned, like my videos, subscribe please to promote and support the channel. Travel with Arnold. And over here we've got their shower area where you can actually shower. Man, this is beautiful. So I'm just gonna take it from here and show you guys how it looks like from the top to the bottom. This is good. Hey guys, I must say this looks good. This looks beautiful. So this is the bedroom, guys. This is the bedroom. It's awesome. Pretty clean. Radison Blue. Thumbs up. Thumbs up to Radison Blue. Zakopane Poland. Awesome. So guys, and over here we've got these area, this section for hanging your coats. We've got the wardrobes, the lockers, like you can hang your coats in them. And you've got an iron, you know, to straighten up your clothing, you know, if you want to step outside or you want to have some dinner downstairs at the reception or something like that. And man, of course, the way Radison does it, man, is awesome. They welcome you actually with something to, you know, feed your feet in. You know, this is awesome. I like this. Yeah, so this is a great concept, man. This is a great one. I like this place. This is awesome. I can't wait to explore more. They've got as well another section here, man. If you want to keep some money, man, you've got some euros, you got some dollars which you want to put in here. You've got some a zloty, Polish zloty which you want to put in, man. Yeah, this is the area for you, man. You just got to set up your code. Great job, Radison Blue. This is awesome. Yeah. So guys, I just want to enjoy this massive bed right now. You know, I just want to enjoy this massive bed right now. And yeah, as you can see, I've got some water, you know, to quench my thirst. Yeah, great one, Radison. I'm loving this. Follow my YouTube channel, guys. Travel with Arnold. Like and subscribe. We are in Zakopane, Poland. Hey, for all Polish people, if you are Polish or if you're a foreigner who lives out of Poland or somewhere like that, and you've been here or you want to get here and you need maybe some advice or something, or you have some recommendations about Zakopane, Poland, please holler at me, write me in the comment section. Yeah, we out here and you're gonna get some replies. Great job, Radison. So without forgetting, we have the bathroom. This is the bathroom, guys. And this is how clean it is. You get solutions out here. And Radison Blue. This is very beautiful. Good morning, guys, from Zakopane, Poland, from my hotel room in Zakopane, Poland, the Radison Blue. It's morning and it's bright outside with a lot of snow, as you can see. So I'm about to show you how the balcony looks. This is awesome. Just getting the view of the morning out here, guys. It's crazy. The view is really good. Wow, look at that. Man. I really like this table out here and this chair, man, just to chill. Look at this view, guys. Look at this view of this winter city. Yeah, guys, you can see we're at the Radison Blue. You can see the amount of snow down here. Guys, we are heading right now to the breakfast section, and I'm gonna give you a little tour of what their breakfast room looks like and what we are gonna be having for breakfast. Stay tuned. Guys, this section we have like some juice and some coffee. So I am out here having breakfast, so I'm just gonna pick up a glass right now really quick. What's this? I think this is like some cake or something. All right, interesting. Guys, this is my breakfast for the morning. Over here I've got some croissant, I've got some chocolate, and I've got some sausage and some olives and some fish over here, which is accompanied by some fruits, of course, and some eggs. And over here we've got some yogurt, and I've got me some coffee and some juice. So this is what I'm gonna be having this morning in Zakopane, Poland at the Radison Hotel. So you can get just a little view of how it looks like, and you have a great view from here. So you actually have breakfast and you have the snow and this beautiful view from the other side, which is really good. Alright guys, so like and comment, support this channel. Thanks for watching. Over here we've got some eggs. This is really good. We got some eggs fried. So this actually has to be ordered by you when you get to the breakfast room. You can order it, like if you want this special egg to be fried for you this way with some meat in it, you can order this, and it's free of charge because it's included in the breakfast package. Alright guys, we are in the fitness room. So over here you've got everything that you need for your fitness, for your body, man. You can get yourself stronger here. So we've got here like these fitness stuffs which you can use while at the hotel, man. This is great. I'm actually gonna be doing this today. I'm actually gonna try to do some fitness today. So this is excellent. Live at Zakopane, Poland at the Radison Hotel. Man, if you like my videos, please follow me, man. Like and comment to my videos. We're trying to actually raise the channel to a higher height. Okay, so we actually wanna actually need your support to make the channel known. So please like, subscribe and comment.